Hello everyone. Today we're stepping into the profound world of Tai Chi, an ancient practice offering extraordinary benefits for both body and mind. Let's flow into this gentle yet powerful martial art. The essence of Tai Chi. Foundational principles. Tai Chi centers on mindful movement, precise breath coordination, cultivating energy flow, enhancing balance, and achieving profound mental clarity. Historical significance. Understanding its roots reveals its origin in Chinese martial arts, centuries of development, deep healing traditions, philosophical foundations, and immense cultural importance. Health benefits. Physical improvements. Regular practice dramatically enhances balance and stability, builds muscle strength, increases flexibility, refines coordination, and improves posture. Mental benefits. Tai Chi cultivates stress reduction, sharper focus, improved mood, profound mental clarity, and unwavering emotional balance. Medical benefits. Research consistently demonstrates improvements in blood pressure, heart health, immune function, joint mobility, and effective pain management. Styles of Tai Chi. Yang Style. Characterized by gentle flowing sequences and wide stances, it is beginner-friendly and offers significant therapeutic benefits. Chen Style. Features explosive movements, complex patterns, martial applications, dynamic energy, and advanced techniques. Wu Style. Known for compact movements, close stances, and internal focus, subtle energy work, and precise alignments. Getting started. Basic requirements. You'll need comfortable clothing, flat shoes, an open space, a patient mindset, and a willingness to learn. Learning process. Begin with basic stances, simple movements, breathing exercises, cultivating body awareness, and understanding foundational principles. Safety considerations. Physical preparation. Important steps include a gentle warm-up, maintaining proper alignment, gradual progression, acute body awareness, and consistent regular practice. Medical considerations. Consult your doctor if you have chronic conditions, recent injuries, balance issues, joint problems, or heart concerns. Practice guidelines. Daily routine. Establish a regular practice time, a suitable location, proper duration, a consistent schedule, and progressive goals. Movement quality. Focus on smooth transitions, proper breathing, precise body alignment, unwavering mental focus, and acute energy awareness. Advanced concepts. Energy work key. Understand energy cultivation, internal power, energy circulation, mental focus, and spiritual aspects. Meditation aspects. Develop mindfulness, present awareness, mental clarity, inner peace, and emotional balance. Common challenges. Physical challenges. Address balance issues, flexibility limits, coordination difficulties, strength building, and endurance development. Mental challenges. Overcome impatience, concentration issues, learning curves, mental blocks, and maintain practice consistency. Long-term benefits. Physical health. Experience improvements in overall fitness, disease, prevention, immune function, joint health, and cardiovascular strength. Mental well-being. Enjoy enhanced stress management, emotional balance, mental clarity, improved sleep quality, and greater life satisfaction. Integration with daily life. Practical applications. Apply Tai Chi principles to daily activities, stress management, physical tasks, mental challenges, and social interactions. Lifestyle benefits. Experience better work-life balance, improved relationships, enhanced focus, greater patience, and profound inner peace. Conclusion. Tai Chi offers a holistic path to health and wellness, benefiting individuals of all ages and fitness levels. Remember, start slowly, practice regularly, be patient, stay consistent, and truly enjoy the journey. Action. Steps. Find a qualified instructor, begin with the basics, practice daily, join a community and track your progress. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more wellness content and share your Tai Chi experiences below. Stay balanced, stay mindful and keep flowing.